Hi everyone, today I'm excited to introduce a new machine from BZW-1. The BZW-4T-BDHE New Energy High Voltage Wire Peeling and Crimping Machine is designed for processing sheet wires and twisted pairs. It offers precise peeling and crimping for dual-core cables. This innovative model has multiple advanced features, including wire color recognition, peeling detection, and pressure management system. It can boost production efficiency while ensuring product quality. The machine comes with a user-friendly, large touchscreen interface, making it easy to adjust parameters. It can store hundreds of preset programs. Operators can switch production tasks with just one touch for different wire harness requirements. One great feature is its wire color recognition. If the wire colors are placed incorrectly, the touch screen will display an error message and trigger an alarm to stop mistakes before they happen. Let's take a look at some wire samples processed by this machine.